sandwich, chocolate fillings. Gusto mo?
Pants mo, basa.
Oh, may voice na ba kayo?
Dapat six senses eh. Huh? Bakit? Alam mo, sense of sight, sense of touch, sense of smell, sense of hearing, sense of taste. Oh, ano yung bang absence, wala nang voice.
Ibang sarap pag may voice.